Hi everybody, I'm Amelia Moore. I'm a professional boxer and also a 3 Olympic cycle Team USA athlete. I'm here at NeuroAthlete working with Dr. Groves Higgins, and I actually originally came in here about 2 months ago to work on some nerve issues. I had some numbing in my right hand and had seen several other practitioners in the area, and I just really wasn't finding the results that I really needed as I was approaching a fight. Dr. Higgins and NeuroAthlete in the office had been actually mentioned to me for the last 3 years, and I finally got my butt out here to work with him, and he had availability for me. And we worked through the nerve impingement, also did a bunch of alignment work, and just right off the bat, did my consultation where we actually worked with, we did the alignment, an imaging program to actually look at the alignments in my body, and right off the bat looking at an actual individualized baseline plan for me. But the really incredible thing is there's modalities here and individualized plans that I had never really worked with before, that as an elite athlete I was looking for. I was wanting deeper answers, and being able to come here, being able to find those. And there's some really interesting modalities that they use: shockwave therapy, integrative medicine, and chiropractic, among so many others, that to be able to really optimize and create a really full program to be able to optimize your performance, and not just my performance for myself, but anybody that's dealing with chronic issues. And so I just really encourage anybody that is, you feel like you shouldn't be walking around with a limp, guys. This is, your body should be functioning fully. You should be living a very full and healthy life. For me, it's those margins that make us great. In the elite level, it's those little 1% that really push us over the edge to be the highest of performers. And just for anybody, you should be living a healthy, full lifestyle. So come out here, get the treatment and get the support really that you need, that's individually for you. We're not pushing away symptom treating, and really getting to the root of what's going on with our bodies individually. So yeah, I encourage you to come out. It's been one of the best decisions I've done. These guys are absolutely amazing. The whole staff is fantastic. Yep, come out to NeuroAthlete. Is that good?